Hi, happy creators! Joy is back. Today, we're going to draw the soft and sweet member of Saja Boys from the hit animation K-pop Demon Hunters, it's Jinu. Are you ready to capture his refreshing soda pop energy? Let's dive in. Let's start with Jinu's soft and charming eyes. His eyes are calm and gently tilted upwards with a long, elegant shape. Now, draw the pupils, but make sure to leave a little spot for the sparkle. It makes him look so bright. Next, let's sketch the face contour with a pencil. Guidelines are your best friends for finding the shape you love. Once you're happy with it, trace the line with your pen. Add a cute nose and a smiling mouth. You can choose any expression you like for your Jinu. Don't forget the eyebrows, keep them symmetrical. Now for the ears, and of course, Jinu's stylish earrings. Time for his hair. I love his long bangs that fall near his eyes. Draw the natural part and the sideburns. Use your pencil for the outer guide first, then finish it with a pen. Now, the arms. We're drawing Jinu dancing to soda pop. Extend the left arm towards the right. Fingers can be tricky, but just take it slow. You can use pencil guides here too. For the right hand, draw it wide open with 5 fingers spread out energetically. Let's do the shoulders. Notice how the left shoulder is raised, while the right one is lowered? This makes the dancing pose look so natural. Add the belt next, and then we'll move on to the pants. Since he's dancing, let's use a pencil for the leg guidelines first. This is a fun part where his legs are crisscrossing. Think about the direction of the movement as you draw. Now, grab your pen and finish those leg lines. Next are the shoes. These white ankle sneakers with a little heart are so cute. Finally, let's draw his shirt slightly untucked for a stylish look. And there he is! Our sweet and energetic Jinu is finally complete. What do you think? Doesn't he look like he's about to jump right off the paper and start dancing? If you enjoyed drawing Jinu from Saja Boys with me today, please give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join our Happy Art Studio family. Your support means the world to me and helps me create more fun tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye!